Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to add the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages it doesn't really matter, just have it on the screen, and right now we can enter the settings. If you cannot find them for some reason, just tap on the three dots icon and you will be able to find them here. So you can tap on it and drag it to this panel to have much faster access to it. So as I said, let's enter the settings and tap on the languages. This is the list of previously added languages and layouts. So we've got only English right now. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set. And that won't be easy because this list is so wide, and simply tap on it. So let me pick the graphical language in order to show you the actual difference. So I will pick Assyrian, just tap on it, and sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So the same situation, just tap on the one you'd like to set and tap on Done. And as you can see, the Assyrian has been immediately applied to the list. So let's go back to the keyboard and check. And actually here we've got two differences comparing to the keyboard at the very beginning of this video. So firstly, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language actually. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon I can easily switch to the Assyrian one. So let me tap on it again, and English, and again Assyrian, and so on and so on. So actually this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because usually when you want to change the language you do not want to keep 2 or 3 languages added. So simply enter the settings, tap on the languages, and from this level all we have to do is to simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove, in my case of course Assyrian, and tap on the trash bin icon. We've got only English left, so after getting back we can see that the keyboard will just look like it was at the very beginning on this video. So the spacebar is empty and we cannot see the globe icon. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.